Okay, this is Mr. Elmhorst with the math lesson video for writing ratios when using words, symbols, and fractions. So when you take a look at the photo here, we have a context picture of Skittles. So within the Skittles, we have several different colors, but they are all Skittles. So we got ratios or comparison of like or similar items. So all of these different colors are like because they're all Skittles. So we're going to list each color in the table below and then count each Skittle color. Within the context, we're going to identify all the different colors. First, we have red, orange. It didn't quite print out on your sheets. Yellow, green, and purple. So these are all the different parts within the Skittle collection, but all of them are Skittles. So the total would be all of them. So now we have the context set out. Now we're going to look at what is the given amounts for each one of these. All right, how many red Skittles are shown in the picture? 6. How many orange? How many yellow? Green? Purple? And now either you could add all these up or you could count all of them together, but how many total Skittles are there? 35. Now, we started with context and then the given information. Now, another word for the prediction is going to be the solve. With the given information, what can we do as far as making a prediction, or can we solve with the information? And I'm going to pick just 3 packs just for a random reason. Math-wise, what would we do to the ratio if we had 3 packs to get an equivalent ratio? Multiply by 3. Times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. So in a prediction, if the ratio stays the same and you have 3 packs, how many reds would you have? How many oranges would you have? How many yellows, greens, and purples? And just with a prediction, it's estimated if you had 3 packs of Skittles, about how many total Skittles would you have? 105. So I'm going to introduce you to a symbol. Maybe you've seen it, maybe you haven't. But when I see 100, I'm always thinking percent. And 105 is approximately or close to 100. So please put 2 little squiggly lines in there. And those 2 little squiggly lines means it's approximately 100. So then if that's approximately 100, then each one of these is approximately close to the percent already. Is 100 above or below 105? Just a little bit below. So if we go up here and estimate, a little bit below 18 would probably be probably 17. So using purple for the percents, we can estimate the percents within those packs of Skittles. So about what percent is red? It's about 17%. It's 18 out of 105, which is pretty close to 17 out of 100. All right. Now, yesterday we had a lesson where we started talking about how to write ratios. And there's three ways we can write ratios: words, symbols, and fractions. So let's start with the words. How many red to orange, or how many reds were there? Six. The word form is using TO, so it's 6 to 11. And then for symbol form, you just take the 2 out and you put in colons. And fraction form, it's 6 over 11. Then we have purple to total. How many purples were there? 6 to 105 was the prediction. With the given, it's 35. So we take out the 2 and then we write in the colon. Green to yellow. 4 to 8. So you just take out the word to and put in the colons, but it means the same thing. Orange to red. Wait, didn't we do that one already? Yeah. The first one, we're starting with red. The comparison is red being compared to orange. Red is less than orange. But then down here, you have orange being compared to red. So it depends on the left side going to the right, and order does matter. So here, there's more orange than there is of red. And red to total, 6 to 35, 6 colon 35, and then 6 over 35. And the last one, just throwing it out there, orange and yellow together being compared to the total. How many orange and yellow are there? 19 to 35. And if we notice, out of the 5 colors, over half of the Skittles are orange and yellow. So if you open up the Skittle bag, you're like, sometimes you open up and you're like, oh, there's a lot of green in here. And this one, if you open it up, there's a lot of yellow and orange.